Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload files to Adobe Creative Cloud. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly add files to your Creative Cloud storage from the Adobe website. You'll see where to start, what to click, and what to expect as the upload completes. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in before uploading, which is normal for protecting your content. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Adobe homepage. This brings you to the central hub where your apps, services, and files are connected. Once the page loads, look for the Home option in the navigation and select it if you're not already there. This ensures you're on the main dashboard view where your recent files and quick actions are easy to find. On the home page, take a look to the right side of the screen for the Recent Files section. This area highlights items you've worked on or opened lately and includes quick tools to add new content. Locating this panel is key because that's where you'll begin the upload. Within the Recent Files section, find the plus icon. This is your shortcut to adding new items to your cloud storage. Click the plus sign to open a small menu of actions. It's designed to save time by putting common tasks right at your fingertips. From the menu that appears, choose Upload File. This tells Creative Cloud you want to bring a file from your computer into your online storage. As soon as you select it, your operating system's file browser will open so you can pick exactly what you want to upload. In the File Browser window, navigate to the folder that contains the file you plan to upload. Select the file you'd like to add. If you're just testing the process, choosing a small sample file will make the upload finish faster. You can upload many common file types used across Adobe apps, so pick what suits your workflow. After selecting the file, click Open. This starts the upload. You may see a brief progress indicator while the file is being transferred. Keep the Browser tab open until it finishes. When the upload completes, the file will appear in your Recent Files list on the right, confirming that it's finally stored in Creative Cloud and ready to access from other devices or Adobe apps. That's it. You've navigated to Adobe Home, used the plus icon, selected Upload File, chosen your file, and clicked Open to complete the upload. Thanks for following along.